In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change the clock icon on your iPhone home screen. Let's get started. If you don't like the default clock look, you can customize it step by step. First, find the clock app on your home screen. Then press and hold on the clock icon. Make sure you long press and don't just tap it. Otherwise, it will open the app. When you long press, a menu will appear. And you may see options to change how the clock looks, such as switching to a larger display for better visibility. Just tap the option you like and it will update instantly. If you want even more styles, there is another method. Press and hold anywhere on your home screen. Now click on the option Add Widget. Scroll down. From this list of apps, find Clock, then click on it. When you open it, you will see multiple clock designs, including different styles and even a world clock option. Swipe through the options, pick the one you like, and then tap Add Widget. It will appear on your home screen right away. You can move it around, resize it, or remove the original clock icon if you don't need it anymore. And if you want to change it again later, just tap and hold the widget, edit it, and tap Done. And that's it. That's how you can change and customize the clock icon on your iPhone home screen. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.